An ARC engagement is a manual expert assessment of your website, application, or native app against an accessibility standard, typically the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. TPGI experts test a selection of components, including full pages or smaller parts of pages, such as a table or a dialog box. These are organized into user flows. In this example, the user flow includes a selection of templates and smaller widgets from the Guardian.com site. You can find the results of the assessment in your ARC engagement dashboard. This includes overall details and scores, as well as the results for each component tested. Select a component to see the report on that component. Here we're looking at a sample top-level template from the site, the sports landing page. The assertion summary table lists all of the issues found on this page by the tester. Select an assertion to get the full details of those issues. There are 3 assertions or issues related to the active images requirement. We explain what the rule about active images is and list the various failures of that rule below. This includes the tester's notes, general data about the issue, such as the severity, and code snippets of all the instances of the issue. However, even with this information, you may have questions and concerns you want to raise directly with the testers. Now, with a Dashboard Help Desk contract, you can ask those questions right here where you have all the details. Just choose the Add a Help Desk Ticket button. Write your question. You can include code samples and attachments. The ticket will go directly to TPGI consultants who will respond with detailed answers. You can track progress with your tickets right here on the Assertion dashboard. Likewise, you can monitor them from the main engagement dashboard. You can also view them in the Help Desk section of ARC. The tickets are directly connected to the issue itself, and you can jump back to the issue details and the engagement from the ticket page. The Dashboard Help Desk quickly becomes a library of solutions and practical guidance tailored to your site or application. Along with the Dashboard Help Desk, we also have a new usability service offered as part of our engagements. Going back to our sports page component, you'll see a new tab called JAWS Speech. Here you find the sports page as a JAWS user would experience it. The text comes from JAWS Inspect, the TPGI product that provides transcript of JAWS speech for testers. The text here is an end-to-end transcript of the page, from the header to the footer. Straight away you'll be able to spot problems, images that have no text alternative, links that are too long and verbose, or repetitive link titles. Overall, it's a great way to get beyond compliance to understand just how usable your site really is. Does it make sense? Is it efficient and easy to use? You can get JAWS Speech for each of the components in your engagement, which will give you a good understanding of your overall accessibility performance.